Hey guys, Nature Guy X46 here for another video. Today we're going to talk about body coverings. I'm not going to go really in depth with this. I probably could. This is just a basic video for parents who homeschool. I believe there is a standard where they talk about body coverings. Whether that be skin or feathers or scales. So let's jump into it. So the first things that we're going to talk about mammals. And mammals we tend to think of as having hair or fur. They also give milk to their young, but that's another video. Um, so mammals typically have hair. Animals like whales, we know that some of them actually have hairs, fine hairs, as babies. Adults may have it too, but for the most part, hair would reduce the streamline effect on their bodies. Tigers definitely have fur or hair. Elephants usually are born with it and then they sort of lose it. Although, elephants do have hair, at least on their tail, and they might have a few stray hairs otherwise. The pangolin does have fur, but the body is covered in keratin, which is the same thing that makes up your fingernails, and possibly even hair. So now let's talk about birds. Birds, of course, have feathers, and feathers are primarily used for flight. They also help insulate the bird. Penguins, however, they don't have flight feathers. They never, that's not something that they're equipped with. But they do have oils in the feathers and really specialized feathers that allow them to not only be insulated, but also allow them to be waterproof, and that's really important. So the next group are our reptiles, and reptiles have scales. Definitely you can see on this fake cobra the scales, and the scales help with helping to cut down on friction for the snakes. It also helps to trap in moisture, because in a dry environment you don't want to lose that moisture. Turtles have bony plates. Scutes, I believe is what they're called. I can verify that. They also have the ability to molt as they grow. Alligators have scutes, bony plates that help to protect them. And they do have scales that helps to, again, with that moisture and everything. Fish have scales too. At least some fish have scales. Rays and sharks have what are called denticles, and denticles are, hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, they have like basically teeth on the outside of the body, on the skin. If they didn't, it would greatly affect their ability to swim. They would have drag, and you don't necessarily want that. So the next group are the amphibians. Amphibian skin, it allows for them to be able to take in oxygen actually through their skin. This is why you don't want to handle, if you don't have to, amphibians or wear gloves, because the oils on your skin, fungi on your skin, diseases on your skin could pass through very easily, and that of course would be bad for the animal. They also have, some of them have poisons on the skin that they secrete. Toads, of course, have a much drier skin, or drier looking skin. It's warty and whatnot, but it's the same idea. They need that moisture in order to thrive. So that is a quick introduction into body coverings. So thank you for watching. If you want more information or you need more in depth on that, let me know in the comments. If I messed something up, let me know in the comments. Because I did this video without my usual script. So this was totally on the fly. If you like this video, give it a like. If you learned something from this video, why not subscribe so you can learn more awesome things. And click that notification bell so you know when my next video is coming out. And with that, I will let you go. Goodbye.